Good morning, dear parents. I hope that all of you are fine and in good health, taking all the necessary precautions for you and for your family. As your wards are now moving to the golden period of their life, you have a chance to make it much more brighter. Coming to Aditya, it has become a synonym for placements. This year we got 12.4 lakh package as the highest. Average package was 5 lakh, where 95% of our students have got jobs. If we look for the statistics of jobs in present scenario, around 90 to 95% jobs are offered by the multinational corporations and private sector. However, only 2 to 3% jobs are offered by government sector. The competition is cutthroat, and the student needs to have lot of dedication, training and good direction to bag these opportunities, to grab these opportunities. In order to prepare them, Aditya starts the CRT sessions from day one. It is due to this that we have got wonderful placements and we have become leader in Andhra Pradesh in terms of providing jobs to our students. Normally, we start our sessions in June. It is due to this pandemic that now it is August and maybe it will take 2 to 3 months again to start the sessions in a full-fledged manner. In order to avoid the wastage of much more time, we have planned live sessions for the students. In these live sessions, the focus is on placements, so that from day one our students are prepared with the placement training. This, to get into the detail of the placement training of Aditya, as you see that in multinational corporations there are various rounds of recruitment, there are various stages of recruitment. It starts with aptitude and then there is technical round and HR round. Even if the student is having very good communication skill or subject knowledge, if they are not good at aptitude, they can't move to the next rounds. This aptitude includes the arithmetic and logical reasoning part. In our live sessions, we have a plan that for 1 hour we will be giving the arithmetic session, in the second hour we will be giving the logical reasoning part. These sessions will be done through the Microsoft Team app. After that, in the evening, the student can attempt the test. What is required for this is one desktop or a laptop, because mobiles are not that comfortable and preferable for the students. So, I request the parents to get the laptop or desktop for the students, and a very good data package should be there. It is better to have minimum 5 GB or an unlimited plan for internet. In order to give much more inputs for the students, there are recorded sessions on CRT also, which the students can access through the target portal and listen it to understand the topics in a much better way. One more thing, in this live sessions, for every topic we will be taking 3 days. So, in 3 days one topic will be covered. In the target portal, there are 50,000 questions of different levels. So, based on the understanding level of the student, the capability in that particular time, the student can appear for level 1, level 2 or level 3 and practice as much as they can. More and more practice will make them much more perfect with the concept. So, that is the basic understanding behind these CRT sessions that are going to happen in the coming days. I request the parents that please motivate your wards to attend these sessions regularly, as we have designed the curriculum only taking care of better understanding for the students. The more they practice, the more they learn, they are creating a better foundation for their future. In this tough time, practice and learning is the only answer for fruitful days in the future. I wish all the very best for the students and a very happy stay at home safely. Thank you.